everyone, we're going to use Euler's method with increments of delta x equals negative 0.1 to approximate the value of y when x is 1.7. We have dy divided by dx equals x minus 2y, and y equals 1 when x is 2. I set up a little table to make this a little easier, and we're starting at x is 2 and then y is 1. So basically we're going to keep subtracting 0.1 till we get to 1.7. Alright, so first thing we're going to have to do is find our derivative of y with respect to x. And we just take our x minus 2 times y. That gives me 0. So we'll just write 0. And let's go ahead and do this in decimal form. Our delta x is given, and that's going to be negative 0.1. That's your change in x, the increments we're using. And then we're going to take these two numbers here and just multiply them to get our change in y. And when you multiply, I'm just going to get 0.0. And then we add it up. So you're adding 2 plus your change in x. That's going to give you 1.9. Your y plus your change in y, which still gives you 1. All right, let's do this as 1.0. All right. Now copy down your new values. At 1.9, we have 1.0. All right, now let's go ahead and figure out our slope. So that's going to be 1.9 minus 2 times 1. That's going to give me negative 0.1. Our change in x is negative 0.1, and our change in y is when you multiply these two. And that's going to give you a positive 0.01. All right, so we have 1.9 minus 0.1. That gives you 1.8. We're almost at 1.7. We're going to have to do this one more time. Then 1.0 plus 0.1. So that's going to give you 1.01. Now we bring this down for our last time. 1.8, comma 1.01. All right, so now for this one, we're going to have x is 1.8 minus 2 times 1.01. That's going to give me negative 0.22. Our change in x stays the same, and then you multiply these two, you're going to get 0.022. And then all we have to do is add these up. So let's see, we're going to get 1.8 minus 0.1 is 1.7. And then when you take 1.01 plus 0.22, that's going to give you 1.032. So finally, when x is 1.7, the approximate value of y is 1.032. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.